It has been a while since I last posted a vlog like this. Regarding excuses, anything in that realm, I'll probably just say that the one that everyone says nowadays, life happens. So I'm just trying to get by, really. Um, it's weird because I'm in a rebuilding phase of my life currently. So I'm just trying to take everything, not even day by day, but moment by moment, really. And just trying to keep confidence in myself every day. I think that's been the main thing which I'm trying to be consistent with, because of course if I'm consistent with confidence, then that just breathes into everything else that I do. So just trying to get by day. Still do my other YouTube channel, you should check that out. I'll probably have it linked now that I've said it in the description of this. And yeah, just been in a constant phase of discovering myself, but more as of recently. So I hope to do more of these consistently again going forward. That's obviously one of my goals as well. So yeah, just been keeping myself busy. Life has happened, so that's why these vlogs stopped for a little minute. But I am hopefully going to be back now. I might even record one later. You never know. So yeah, hope you're all doing well. I don't know what number this is. I shall put it in the title of this. And yeah, keep cool, guys.